I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. You get the tractor outside, and get the blade off, and get the hoist on, and see where we go from there. Now, if I've done this right, the tractor's had the maintainer on it the whole time since I charged it. It should keep the charge that it had. Anticipation. I expect it to work, but I'm ready if it doesn't. Now, why did I sweep all that dirt across the area that I swept previously? Seems kind of a wasted effort, doesn't it? Well, I needed to have the nails picked up in this area because I've been disassembling pallets and the nails are on the floor. So I wanted to pick up the nails first, then that back there, that's just mud off the tractor tires. So it doesn't matter a whole lot. I can take the mud off the tractor tires and shove it out in the yard, it's just dirt. The thing I don't want to end up with is have a pin cushion out there that wrecks tires every time I drive across it. Don't have that kind of money, don't want to spend it for that. I'm going to take advantage of one of the design features of this style building. The rafters have these tall vertical poles that support them, and they also have this hat-shaped beam which goes around the outside of the building that the sheet metal is attached to. That gives me a nice hooking point right here. There. Now that'll support quite a bit of weight. It's just a 1x4, but I had the clamp down at the bottom and the top of it up against the H-beam. Same thing on this side. That way the weight is down on the beam and down on the vertical beam and up on the purlin, so it can't rotate out. Now, why am I doing this? Well, I have several long things that I want to put up. I want to just get them out of the way so that they're not going to get damaged. I can use this to set this 2x4 up off the floor. Tuck it in behind the ladder. It'll be out of the way and not causing a problem. Also not getting damaged. I don't expect to use the 2x4s anytime soon. So it can sit up there and be out of the way. Same thing goes for this piece of sheet metal. It's an extra piece I didn't use on the building. I don't know why I got it. I made some changes to the building, but that is a corner piece and it also goes along the edge of the roof. So I used all the stuff for the edge of the roof and the corner pieces. So I don't see a purpose for it. That's okay. It's just a piece of sheet metal that'll get used for something sometime. I also can put the conduit up there so it's out of the way, not going to get damaged. and various and sundry other things as I find them as I go along. Now I have a pile of sheet metal to pick up that is just cut up bits and pieces. I probably should designate one of the garbage cans as a metal can, at least for now. Although I have a nice brown one up in the garage that would be better for that. It's much sturdier. So I think I will shut the camera off, go take care of getting that, and then we can start cleaning up the sheet metal so I can get to the hoist. Success. Very happy. Always nice to have things work out the way you want them to. Now, back into the shop, more cleaning to do. I have a blade to take off before I come back in. We're not going to video that because it's just something you've seen before. If you haven't and you want to, post something in the comments and I'll make sure and direct you to where I've done it before, or we'll do it again. We're going to hook up the hoist on the camera because it's inside the shop. Okay, gaining. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know our leap. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. I'm always happy to try and answer. I can't answer everything, but I sure do try. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.